10 Easy Side Hustles for Beginners. If you're just beginning your journey into the side hustling world, you've come to the right place. In today's presentation, I'm going to show you 10 easy side hustles you can start today. Number 1. Buy and sell stuff. There's virtually an unlimited number of things you can buy cheaply in places like Craigslist, eBay, or even garage sales. To make a profit, all you need to do is sell items at a higher price than your buying price. Number 2. Rent your space on Airbnb. Airbnb is very popular nowadays. If you've got an extra room or even an extra property you can rent out, then listing it on Airbnb can be a profitable move. Number 3. Be an Uber driver. People love Uber because it's super convenient. As an Uber driver, you simply wait for riders or passengers to appear on your app, accept the request, and go pick them up. Number 4. Sell your hair. If you've got long hair you've been waiting to cut off for some time now, then check out Hair Salon. You can check out their hair price calculator to see if you can fetch a good price for your hair. Number 5. Deliver food. If you want to make extra cash quickly, you can sign up for Uber Eats. You don't even need to have a car. You can use a bike or a scooter to deliver food to customers. Number 6. Babysit. Babysitting isn't just for kids wanting to earn some money on the side. If you love kids and you want to be around them in your spare time, then let your friends know, or you can sign up on sites like care.com. Number 7. Walk dogs. Dog walking is a profitable side hustle. If you love dogs and you want a side job that will give you plenty of exercise, then dog walking may be perfect for you. Visit rover.com if this hustle catches your fancy. Number 8. Become a consultant. If you've got the right skills and experience, you can actually make a killing by being a consultant. People pay you for your specialized knowledge, and you can easily put a premium price tag on your service. Number 9. Become a tour guide. If you want to show people around your city, then you can become a tour guide during your days off from your regular job. Number 10. Do odd jobs in your neighborhood. Make yourself useful and let your neighbors know you can work on jobs they don't have time to do themselves.